Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is Prasad Kdr. Today we will discuss what is writ of certiorari. Today we will discuss what is writ of certiorari. Here the writ of certiorari says it is a writ given by the higher court to the lower court quashing the judgment of the lower court. Okay, what the writ of certiorari says? It is a writ given by the higher court to the lower court quashing the judgment of the lower court. Okay, it is somewhat similar to that of writ of prohibition. In writ of prohibition, if the case is in the process, okay, in the writ of prohibition, if the case is still in the process, then only we can make a writ of prohibition in High Court or in Supreme Court. Here, what we can do here in the writ of certiorari means when the case is heard in the district court or in the lower court, and the judgment was given and the verdict was announced. After the judgment was given, then only we can use this writ of certiorari. Okay, here in the writ of prohibition, as I said in one of my videos, in the writ of prohibition, when the case is still in the process, then only you can make a writ of prohibition in the High Court or in the Supreme Court. Here, when it comes to the writ of certiorari, when the verdict was announced in the court, that means they have given the judgment. The case was heard and the judgment also. They have given the judgment also. Okay. After the judgment, if you file your writ petition in Supreme Court or in High Court, as I said in one of my videos also, if you want to file your writ petition in Supreme Court using Article 32, you can file your writ petition in Supreme Court. If you want to file your writ petition in State High Court, using Article 226, you can file your writ petition in the State High Court. Okay, when the verdict was announced verdict was announced, already the judgment was given. After the judgment was given, then only you can file your writ of certiorari in the High Court or in the Supreme Court. Okay, here you have to remember one thing, the difference between the writ of prohibition and the writ of certiorari. In the writ of prohibition, when the case is still in the process, then only we make the writ of prohibition in Supreme Court or in High Court. Here in the case, the writ of certiorari, after the judgment was given in the court, then only we can file a writ of certiorari in Supreme Court or in High Court. Okay, then the High Court or the Supreme Court will issue a writ of certiorari quashing the judgment of the lower court or the district court. Okay, this is the use of certiorari this is a writ of certiorari. Okay, see you all in the next video, and everyone keep watching my videos.